going to be a tutorial for how to use the healthEVO app. If you are unsure how to log in, please be sure that you have purchased a subscription or that you are doing a free trial. If you are not able to log into your app or unsure how to find your password, please be sure that you have completed your online profile and checked your email for your login credentials. Once you receive your login credentials, you can log into the app. This is your app homepage. Here you're going to see your calorie goal, the food you've eaten, the exercise that you've done, and what you've net for the day. You're also going to see the amount of fat, protein, and carbs you have eaten for the day, as well as your summary. Now let's head to the My Goal tab, where you are going to see your goal weight and the weight that you can record throughout your journey. So if you lose weight, or if you're trying to gain weight, or if you're just trying to maintain weight, you can log that to keep track of it and keep you accountable. Next, let's go to My Log. This is where you are going to see the amount of protein, carbs, and fats that you have for the day, as well as what you have remaining. To access this, simply click the little orange square in between recommended and remaining. Next, let's log some foods. So click the little plus icon next to breakfast, and you're going to be able to type in or select the foods that you've had. So let's just click on milk, and let's say we had 1 cup of milk. You're going to select that, and then in the top right corner where the 3 lines are, that is how you add it to your log. So let's do another one just to be sure that we got that. So you're going to click the plus button. Let's type in Cheerios, for example. So I had Honey Nut Cheerios with some milk. I had 1.5 cups, so I'm going to select 1 and then half of a cup. And then I'm going to click the top right corner, the 3 buttons, and I'm going to click Add to Log. If this is a breakfast that you have often, you can save it as a favorite meal. To do this, on the right-hand side of where it says breakfast, you're going to click the little heart button, and you're just going to type in a little keyword to save it as a favorite meal so you can access this quicker and you don't have to log each item individually in the future. Next, I'm going to show you how to log a food using the barcode scanner. So what you're going to do is go to where you search foods, and you're going to click the barcode scanner up in the top right hand corner. After you do this, you're going to click the 3 lines in the top right hand corner, and it's going to open up this little icon, and you're going to click Scan UPC Barcode. Then simply put your camera over top of the barcode and it will find the food automatically. You can add in any other information that was not saved, and make sure that you add a category to it right underneath where the name is. If you do not add a category, it will not allow you to save it. Once you do that, click the 3 lines in the top right hand corner again and click Save Food. This will save it to the database so you do not have to do this process again. Now let's say you messed up and you want to delete a food, or you decided simply not to eat a food. So go to the food and click on it, and then in the top right hand corner simply click Remove from Log and then Yes, Remove. Next, I'm going to show you how to access your meal plan through the app. So simply click My Meals, and this is where each day of your meal plan is going to be placed. So click on day 1 and you can scroll through and see all the foods that you have to eat on day 1. If you want to log the food, what you're going to do is you're going to find the meal, and in the top right hand corner there is a little notepad with a pen. You're going to click on that and then save that day, and then you can click Yes, Confirm, and then if you head back to your food, you can see that it added it to your log. So if you don't want to log your own individual foods and you want to just log straight from your meal plan because you're following it to a T, you can just do that. Now I'm going to show you how to create a grocery list so that you can get all of the foods that you found in your meal plan on one list, so when you go to the grocery store, the process is seamless. Go to My Meals, and then in the top right hand corner, click the little grocery basket. Then click New Grocery List. You can then select which days you want to include in your grocery trip. This means if you only go to the grocery store for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can just select days 1, 2, and 3 instead of having to shop for the entire week. You'll also notice that your grocery list is split into categories to make it super easy for you when you're at the grocery store. There are also check marks that you can utilize, so when you get an item, you can check it off your list and make the grocery trip even easier. Lastly, let's head to the Settings tab, where you're going to be able to find your custom foods that you created or that you scanned in with the barcode scanner. And you're also going to be able to add custom foods. So if you make your own recipe, or if you find a food that is not in the database, you can add it manually. You can also change the units that are used if you are in a different country, or if you are more comfortable using different measurements, you can do that as well. If you guys have any questions about how to change your meal plans, maybe you want to try a different meal plan, or you want to add or subtract different foods from your meal plan, please access the web portal and dashboard video to learn more about how to do that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that our app helps you evolve your life.